Yes, these portable DeWalt table saws come with a, you can get a stand for it, but I consider this DeWalt portable workstation the best stand for this type of saw. It is really rigid, saw stands on there, and the biggest factor is that it's multi-use. I can use it as a stand for this table saw, or it works as a regular worktop. So it acts as a two different, it work for two different tasks. Plus, I'm 6'5", and this thing is a little taller, so it's more comfortable for me to use this saw. What is your favorite table saw stand? Portable one. Thank you.